Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think this is a big 1-2, and I think this is all a wave 3. We are getting pretty close to approaching that 78% Fibonacci extension, which is right around the 174 area, probably 174 flat to be safe. That definitely seems like it'd be an area of resistance, maybe a area for a pullback, or maybe an area to end of wave 3. We'll just have to wait and see what it does when it gets there. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the trend is definitely up. We definitely don't have any breaker structure. We definitely have no Fibonacci bounce. We definitely have no lower high telling us the trend is over. I think that it's at least going to go up to that 78% before we see any significant pullback. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got this Fibonacci extensions on here, and we do have a couple areas of resistance to watch out for. But I think if anything, those areas of resistance are probably just going to be areas where the market makes pullbacks, which pullbacks are awesome for us because those give us opportunities to go long again for the continuation of this bigger uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I think as of right now, the only strategy, which basically has been my only strategy on every single one of these yen pairs, is to look for pullback entries to go long. I definitely have been doing nothing for a very, very long time except for looking for three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. There is no reason to think that the trend is over on the higher time frames, so we really need to continue to trade with the trend on these shorter time frames. Kind of looks to me like it already made a three-way pullback, 1, 2, 3 waves down. That's exactly what I'm looking for entries. 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves down. I'm definitely looking for three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Maybe it's possible it does go down and make a more, bigger, proper looking ABC. Maybe something like this before it actually continues up. Or possibly it's just going to keep on trending up from here, which I think is probably the most likely scenario. Whether you get another pullback now or whether you get another pullback later, it really doesn't matter to me. All I know is that I definitely will be ready for entries to go long at the end of every single pullback I see, especially on these much, much shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.